We will now program an alarm at 7:30 in the morning with a long bell. To program a new alarm, press the program key, set new alarm, enter, summer mode, enter, increment this and set it to 7:30. 7 is okay. We want a long bell, so use the next key. 03 is flashing. Increase this to 10 seconds. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are selected. If you don't want to select Saturday, use the next key. Come to Saturday, press increment key. This will now deselect Saturday. So the bell will not ring on Saturday. If you still want to ring it on Saturday, press the increment key again. Saturday is selected. Press enter. If you want to program one more alarm, press enter. If this is the last alarm to be programmed, press exit. The data is being stored. To check the total number of alarms present in the memory and programmed by the user, press the program key, set new alarm, show alarm total. Press enter. Now it will show you all the alarms which are programmed in the memory. To see the alarm data which are programmed in the memory, press the program key once, twice, thrice, show alarm data, press the enter key, select the summer mode, press enter. It is showing you the data, weekday, start time, number of repeats and the on time. This is the demo data which we have filled actually. Now it is showing you 7:30, weekday, on time, off time, repeat. Now it is 8:15 and this way. To scroll the data, press the increment key. To see the data of the previous alarm, use the decrement key. You can see the previous data. If the viewing is over and if you want to exit, press the exit key. To edit an existing alarm data, this is the procedure. Press the program key, set new alarm, set alarm total, show alarm data, edit alarm. Press enter, select the mode, summer. This is the alarm data, the first alarm data which is being displayed. If you do not want to edit this, press the enter key. 7:25. Assume you want to make this to 7:30. Use the increment key and make it 7:30. Now if you want to change the on time of the bell, use the next key, come to on time, increase this to 7 seconds. Press enter. The data is stored. If the editing session is over, press the exit key. Now I'll explain you about the erase alarm function. The erase alarm function is to be used to erase a single alarms. The clear memory function is to be used for clearing the whole table, summer table, exam table or winter table. Now I'll show you how to erase a single alarm. Press the program key, set new alarm, show alarm total, show alarm data, edit alarm, erase alarm. We will erase the first alarm now. Press enter key. Select the mode as summer mode, enter. The first alarm is being displayed, 8:15. If you want to erase this alarm, press the enter key. Alarm has been erased. If you do not want to erase the next alarm, press the exit key. This will exit from the mode. Remember one thing, data erased cannot be recovered again. So whenever you use this function, use it very carefully. To match the school time along with the unit time, use the following function. Press program, set new alarm, set alarm total, show alarm data, edit alarm, erase alarm, set real time. Select this function by pressing enter key. Weekday is okay, month is okay, date is okay, press enter. To change the time, assume the present school time is 7:27. use the next key, come to the minutes, increase this and press enter. Now the school time and the unit time are matched. Presently the unit is operating in the summer mode. We have three operating modes: summer, winter and exam. To change the operating mode, press the program key, set new alarm, total, alarm data, edit alarm, erase, set real time, set operate mode. Select this function by pressing the enter key. Presently summer is flashing. If you want to select exam mode, use the next key or increment key. Exam is flashing. Flashing message is active message. If you want to select exam, press enter. Now exam mode has been selected. In this way, to go back to the original mode, press the program key, set operate mode, press enter. The present operating mode is exam. We would like to change it to summer. Use the increment or next key. Come back to summer, press enter. Now you can see summer mode has been selected. Now we will go to setting holidays. Press the program key. Set holidays. We will set one holiday as 1st of May. Press enter. January. Increase this to May 1st. May. Use the next key. Date as 1st May. This is the first holiday. Press enter. You can set another holiday this way to maybe 2nd October. Press enter. If this is all, press the exit key to exit from this function. To see the holidays what we have programmed, use this following function: set new alarm, show alarm data, edit alarm, erase alarm, set real time, show holidays. Press enter. May 1st, first holiday; October 2nd, second holiday. That's all. To clear all the alarms data, use the clear alarm function. Press the program key, set new alarm, use decrement key, unit details, fill demo data, clear all alarms. Select this function by pressing the enter key. Select the operating mode, summer, exam or winter. If you want to clear all the three mode data, you will have to use this function 3 times. Now to clear summer data, press enter. Are you sure? If you are sure that you want to clear the data, press enter, else press increment. Okay? Press enter to select, erasing all data. All the data is now clear. You can verify by checking the number of alarms present in the society, in the unit. Show alarm table, show alarm total, press increment 0, 0, 0. Now I'll show you details about one more function, that is unique details. Press the program key, use the decrement key, unit details. This function will display the model number and the software version. In case of any difficulty in future, kindly mention the software version and the date. Now to select this function, press the enter key and the unit will show the model number and the software version along with the date. Thank you. Now I'll tell you something about the silent mode and the manual mode. If you want to ring the bell manually in case of any emergency, press the manual button, right, and keep it pressed. When you press the manual button, the bell will turn on manually with a message, manual bell on. The bell will keep on ringing till you keep the manual button pressed. When you release the button, the bell will switch off. For vacations long and short, you can use the silent key. When the unit is in the silent mode, the bell will not ring. To go to the silent mode, press the silent key. The enter key also works as a silent key when the display is in the home screen. Press the silent key once, you will get the silent mode. In the silent mode, the unit will be functioning normally, but the bell will not ring. To convert the silent mode to non-silent mode, press the silent key once again, and now it is the normal mode. During normal functioning of the unit should display bell off, summer mode, and the actual time of the day, the weekday, and the date.